What's your nationality, sir?
South Korea.
South Korea.
Yes, sir.
Upa! You're studying here, sir?
No, I'm just working.
Working?
In casino.
Oh. Big salary.
Casino big salary.
How much? 1 million a month?
No way. I hope so, but we cannot like affordable for giving you 1 million.
How long you been here, sir? In Philippines?
Galing ko lang dyan ah. Hindi ko naman.
Yes. Almost a year. Wow. Do you have a girlfriend Filipina?
It's hard to like find out the good girl. Even inside the casino, there's like some Filipinas.
Filipina.
who like, how long did you work?
3 years.
Year?
3 years.
3 years.
Yeah.
Ma'am, galing mo pala dyan ah. Hindi ko naman.
You are Korea but you're good in English, sir,
English is like sucks.
My English is not good.
Mine sucks.
At a lot of Koreans here in the Philippines studying here in the Philippines, sir. No?
Ma'am, galing mo pala dyan ah. Hindi ko naman.
Yeah, English, yeah. They come a lot
And
for studying.
like Sandara Park,
Sandara Park, yeah.
Ryan Bang.
Yeah, the famous YouTuber. Are you on YouTube?
Yes, Facebook, YouTube.
Nice.
Okay.
Hi guys.
Welcome to my vlog. Do you know how to speak Tagalog?
Nah.
Not at
Just
all.
like salamat.
Salamat.
And putarina.
That's a bad word, sir. Don't say that.
Sana all. Meron ka pang boyfriend.
Mayroon ka mamay. Going inside.
Thank you, boss.
Yun. You're welcome, sir. Kamsamida.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Upa yung naisakay natin. Mga pags upa.